Everyone wants the perfect house to come home to. A place where kids can grow up, family can gather, friends can have fun. But more importantly, everyone wants to build that home and save money. That's why Mark Ergola and Mark Stefanelli have joined together to form Modular Building Systems, a company focused on simplifying the building process.
The total package for the modular construction, or any construction, consists of a site plan, floor plans and elevations, engineering plans if needed, and we also bring the three-dimensional image also. Because we do all that, the homeowner doesn't have to do any of that. We have the professional staff to do all the necessary permitting, research, and development, so the homeowner doesn't have to do it.
One of my biggest misconceptions, I think, was I was under the impression modular homes are very cookie cutter, everything is kind of the same, and you just have option like A, B, or C. Is that not the case?
That is not the case. A lot of times when people, again, have a certain piece of property, there's only a certain size we can do on every property. So what I like to do is get some homes or footprints that I've had and get you started. So hey, look, you want 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. I want my kitchen in the back because I have the water view. So we start with basic information of what is specific to your lot. So I might show you some stock plans that we have. It's just a starting point and helps you visualize, and then you customize where you want. I mean, it's limitless.
So why do you think it's more efficient to control the budget with a modular home?
Well, in any project, there's a specific set of plans that's set for conventional or modular.
Yeah.
With modular, though, once that set of plans is specified, that is built in a factory, in a controlled environment. Everything we do is set with no weather delays, no shortages of labor. So that product is delivered to your specifications for the price that was quoted onto the site. No questions asked.
Why is it faster to build a modular house?
As the site work is being done on the job site, foundation, basements, pilings, we are building the actual house at the same time. So literally that foundation could be done on a Monday, the house could be delivered on a Tuesday and set. So from conventional, you have a foundation, it might take you 6 to 8 months to frame, sheetrock that house. We're delivering it the day after. So as a controlled environment allows us to build a home within 9 business days, the average home being 3,000 square feet and under.
The home building process is always easier when you've got a team of professionals to handle the hard stuff.
With the experience of myself and Mark Ergola Enterprises, we both have the experience to know that by designing this home in a certain way, it could be very efficient for, number 1, transportation, number 2, cost efficient, because between the two of us, we know the size and shape of the units that need to be delivered, and by doing it in the right way, you can actually save a lot of money and time efficiency and get a great product.
What are the customization capabilities?
Well, you can customize the house as far as you want. And we kind of encourage people to be as customized as possible because we want you to be happy with, with your choices.
As an architect, I like to make the client happy, and it's my job to make the client happy. And it's just nothing better than to see a happy client, and when the project is all done, you look up and they're happy, I'm happy, and everybody's happy.
Ready for a new custom build, a quick modular home? Visit their website, mbs-nj.com, for more information. Or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.